Good morning, students. How are you? Very good. I'm also fine. Now you see this video. In this video, I have to start revision of differentiation because differentiation is very important for you. So first of all, I have to write the formula differentiation. Means inverse trigonometrical function. Inverse means like this one here. d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to what? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Second formula is d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Here both are same, only in the sign positive sign, in cos negative sign. And next formula is d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Clear? Next formula is d by dx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon mod of x under root x square minus 1. d by dx of cosec inverse x is equal to minus mod of under root x square minus 1. This is formula. Clear? I think already have learned because in previous video when I was telling differentiation of inverse trigonometrical function, that times I have written all this formula, first to 6 formula, but once more I have written, I have given in this video because this is a revision video. Then going to give example here. If y is equal to here sine inverse 3x, then find dy by dx. Clear? Understood? If y is equal to sine inverse 3x, find dy by dx. It means differentiation of y with respect to x. d by dx means with respect to x. Of y means differentiation of y. Then d by dx of sine inverse 3x is equal to what? Now we can see the formula here. Sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Clear? Then 1 upon under root 1 minus 3x whole square into d by dx of 3x. Differentiation of 3x means 3 only. X is 1 upon under root 1 minus 9x square. Now this is answer. Clear? Very simple. It is very simple. Now question number 2 here. If y is equal to tan inverse 3x square, then find dy by dx. Understood? Both are same, similar question. Here sine inverse 3x, here tan inverse 3x square. According to question, we have to put the formula. Then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse 3x square. Clear? Tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square means 3x square whole square into d by dx of 3x square is equal to what? 3 constant, x square means 2x, 2 into 3 6, 6x upon 1 plus 9x power 4. Now this is answer. Clear? In the front of you already formula is there and question also there here. With the help of formula and calculus already so many questions I am telling, I am solving also here. Please, I hope on you will complete maximum questions. You will learn all the formula, how many formula are given here. Understood? Okay, now question number 3 here. Y is equal to sine inverse x whole cube. Clear? How we can find the dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine inverse x whole cube. Now with the help of chain rule, with the help of outer function, Now this is x foreign form. 3 sin inverse x 2 into d by dx of sin inverse x. Now 3 sin inverse x whole square into what is the differentiation of sin inverse x? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Therefore 3 into sin inverse x whole square upon under root 1 minus x square. Now this is answer. Any doubt? Very good. Okay. Now say question number 4. Clear? In question number 4, if y is equal to sin 2 into sin inverse x, therefore prove that dy by dx is equal to 2 into under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. See this questions, this is also very very simple. If y is equal to sin into 2 sin inverse x, prove that dy by dx is equal to 2 into under root 1 minus y square whole upon under root 1 minus x square. Now solution is y is equal to sin 2 into sin inverse x. Now transfer this side, sin inverse y is equal to 2 into sin inverse x. Clear? Now d by dx of sin inverse y is equal to d by dx of 2 into sin inverse x. What is the differentiation of sin inverse y with respect to x? 1 upon under root 1 minus y square. Again differentiation of y. 2 into differentiation of sin inverse x. 1 upon 1 minus x square. But we have to find the value of dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 into under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. Hence proof. Very simple. Once more, okay, here. This is formula here. Please, you will learn the formula, and with the help of formula, this is example number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and this is question number 4. Clear? Okay. If y is equal to cos inverse in bracket 4x cube minus 3x, then find dy by dx. Clear? First of all, solution is here. Y is equal to cos inverse and 4x cube minus 3x. Now let x is equal to here cos theta. Clear? How we can know? 4x cube minus 3x means 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. When we will suppose x is equal to cos theta, then here y is equal to cos inverse and 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta. Y is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the value of cos theta. Now y is equal to cos inverse into cos 3 theta. We can write here 3 theta. Clear? Now what is the value of theta in the terms of x? Means cos inverse x. Clear? Therefore y is equal to 3. Theta means what? Cos inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3 into cos inverse x. 3 constant, differentiation of cos inverse x. Clear? Then minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now minus 3 upon under root 1 minus x square. Very simple. First of all, we will see the question. Y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. What we have to find? D by dx of y. That is dy by dx. Then suppose x is equal to cos theta according to question, y is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now this is a formula. We have cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos inverse cos theta means 3 theta only. 3, the value of theta is equal to cos inverse x here. Now differentiation of given function, given question with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx into 3 cos inverse x. 3 constant minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square minus 3 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now this is a value. Understood? Very good. Okay. Now see question number this. Y is equal to tan inverse under root x minus under root a whole upon what? 1 minus under root x into under root a. We can write. Clear? Now let under root x is equal to tan a suppose. Under root a is equal to what? Tan b. We can suppose theta phi also depend on u. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse under root x means what? Tan a minus tan b whole upon, this is value of here, value of 1 plus tan a into tan b. Clear? Y is equal to tan inverse tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b is equal to what? Tan a minus b. We have formula tan a minus b. Clear? Now y is equal to what? Tan inverse into tan theta means what? Only a minus b. Now we have to put the value of a is equal to tan inverse under root x and b is equal to tan inverse under root a. Therefore, y is equal to a means what? Tan inverse under root x, tan inverse under root a. Now differentiation of y with respect to x means d by dx of tan inverse under root x minus d by dx of tan inverse under root a. Clear? After simplification, we have simplified a given question. After that, we have to differentiate both the side with respect to x. That is d by dx of this minus d by dx of this. Tan inverse x means what? 1 upon 1 plus under root x whole square and d by dx of under root x minus 0. Why? This is constant number. Differentiation of any constant number with respect to any variable is 0. And 1 under root x means what? 1 upon 2 under root x into 1 plus x. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Any doubt? Are you understanding? Okay. Question number 7. If y is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, find dy by dx. Clear? Understood? Okay. Now here solution is let x is equal to tan theta. Now going to put there y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We have formula 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the value of sin 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Now here theta is equal to tan inverse x. Clear? Understood? Y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x. 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now this is answer. Understood? Very simple. Y is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Find dy by dx. According to question, we have to check which value we have to put in the place of x. It will make a formula. Then here x is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now this is a value of sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin 2 theta means 2 theta, 2 tan inverse x. 2 into d by dx are tan inverse x. Is 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square, 2 upon 1 plus x square. That's 2. Okay, now say question number 8. Question number 8 here. Y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus x square plus x here. Clear? Now see here under root 1 plus x square means let x is equal to what? Tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Now here y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta plus what? Tan theta. Any problem? Very good. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta means what? Sec square theta. Sec square theta plus here tan theta. Y is equal to tan inverse and sec theta plus tan theta. Any doubt? Good. Now y is equal to tan inverse. Sec means 1 by cos theta. Tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta. Now here y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus sin theta upon and cos theta. That's true. Anyhow, we have to remove this tan inverse. Anyhow, then tan inverse 1 plus cos 90 minus theta upon what? Sin 90 minus theta. Clear? Therefore y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 upon 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Understood? Very simple. With the help of 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel here. Y is equal to tan inverse. And this 2 cancel by this 2. Cos square cancel by this cos. Cos by sin means what? Cot 90 minus theta by 2. Clear? Then y is equal to tan inverse. Now here tan 90 minus this 90 by 2 minus theta by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel here. Y is equal to 90 minus what? 90 minus 2 by 2 means what? 45 degree. Minus minus plus here and theta by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 45 degree plus 1 by 2. What is value of theta? Theta means here tan inverse x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to what? 45 degree. Its differentiation is 0 because this is constant number. 1 by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square, then 1 upon 2 1 plus x square. Now this is a answer. Understood? So please I request you, first of all you will learn your formula. How many formula of differentiation are trigonometrical, because so many formula trigonometrical value already have done, you have studied in class 11. So please I request you, you will learn, you will revise, otherwise you are not able to do any single question of this chapter. So formula and calculus are very important for you. Thank you very much.